So this is the repeater that I'm working on. I just unplugged it because I'm getting ready to transfer all the hardware over to the case that I've been building for it. But it has two CDM 1250 Motorola radios in it, both 50 watts. Right now I have them set to 25 watts. And then it also has a 50 watt XLT duplexer. And then each radio also has its own voltage regulator. So I have it set up so to run off of battery power. So these make sure that as long as the batteries are putting out at a minimum of 9 volts, that the radios always get a voltage of 13.8 volts. And then also I have the repeater control cable, and then also each radio has its own set of, I believe, 50 millimeter fans to cool each one. And then I also have a bigger 120 millimeter fan to push more air through the whole case. So there's still some things that I want to add into it, like either ID-O-Matic or some way for the repeater to ID itself. And then I also have a case that I'm just finishing building that I'm going to transfer all this stuff into.